When a state actually names the dirt beneath its feet, it sends a message that travels beyond its borders. That in South Dakota, we stand on valuable ground. In 1955, South Dakota named its own unique soil, Houdek. The name was new. The soil wasn't. Nature placed Houdek soil in South Dakota thousands of years before. You can say that Houdek soil is nature's gift. And nature's gifts are meant to be shared. South Dakota soybean growers and value-added innovators are sharing our harvest around the world. That's why in 2022, we renamed our company after the very dirt that makes all of our efforts possible. From an idea at South Dakota State University, to the fjords of Norway, to pet food in Europe, and back to the South Dakotans that are committed to grow, produce, and innovate. Houdek, South Dakota farmers, and growing beyond our borders. It's in our nature.